Okay.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel, Miss Event Planner, a channel dedicated to inspiring the party planner in you and those who wish to make it their career. So today I have a super cute and easy DIY for you to show you how to create a really cute girly glam balloon garland for Halloween. You know what I'm saying? Make it real feminine and fab. Great for selfies, great for Halloween parties, great just to be extra. If you guys like my face and want to see a little bit more, or just want to hang around with me and see what's going on, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell, because if you do not hit the notification bell, it's very likely that you probably won't see my videos again, because YouTube is just shady like that, you know? Just kidding, but yeah, for real. So if you really want to see my videos, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, and let me know down in the comments what you think about this balloon garland, and if you try it, hashtag Miss Event Planner on Instagram so I can see your beautiful work. So let's start making the garland. What are you guys going to need? You're going to need some 12-inch black balloons. You're going to need some 24-inch black balloons. You're going to need either some 9-inch or some 5-inch pink balloons, and for your gold you can use 9-inch or 12-inch and blow them up a little bit smaller. Whatever you can get your hands on, that's fine. Here's some balloons right here. Most of mine came from Party City or Amazon. I will link all of them in the description box if you want to just get what I get, to make it easy on you, right? We like easy peasy, okay? So of course, while I'm filming my balloon garland video, I cannot find my fishing line, and this is a shame because I've actually really been cleaning up the office. So we're just gonna go ahead and use the balloon strip to construct this balloon garland today. And I actually think it's a better choice because for you guys out there who are kind of like beginners, balloon garland people, or just like are just making this for the holiday season, this is so much easier to make balloon garlands with, like by far, and you tend to use less balloons than you do when you're using the fishing line. So just get yourself the balloon strip. You can find these on Amazon. I will link to it below. You guys can purchase this as well. And if you're Amazon Prime member like me, it comes in 2 days, so plenty of time to construct your garland. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your balloon strip and you're going to just pop in your balloons. We want our balloon garland to be primarily black, right? Because we do want it to give it that Halloween vibe, okay? And you're gonna pop the balloons over and just make sure they're secure in the holes. I do have a how to make a balloon garland using balloon strip tutorial, which I will link up here and in the description box if you guys want to check that out, if you want to see up close exactly what I'm doing. Let me go ahead and finish constructing the garland, and then I'll show you what it looks like afterwards and all styled up. Make sure you guys too, sometimes when you're doing balloon garlands and you're using a balloon strip, make sure that you're skipping over one occasionally. It's really going to help you because sometimes it starts to form like a tight kind of like a ball, and you want it to be able to like flow out. And if you put them too close, they start to kind of cluster around like this rather than being more free flowing. take it up a whole nother notch is you're going to want to buy like 5-inch balloons, and you're going to want to kind of like fill in the gaps with the 5-inch. That makes a lot of like contrast in the sizes and looks really cute. I had some 5-inch. I thought I had a pack of 5-inch, but I don't, so I won't be adding any in today. I have like some fuchsia pink ones. I might see how that looks, but some 5-inch black ones would look really cute clustered in here. Then you can kind of just cluster 5-inch balloons here and there. And to put on these, you can either wrap fishing line around it, you can use the glue dots.
Did you hook it up?
I know you guys are probably like, girl, where have you been? I have been working. I had so many parties last month, and then on top of that I had my son's 10th birthday and then my husband's surprise 30th birthday, which was crazy. It almost killed me trying to keep a surprise for my husband like that. And then on top of that, once I got done with all the parties and work and everything, I completely got sick, and I've been sick for the past 2 weeks, you guys. So I'm just now like feeling like okay, and you can still hear it. I can barely breathe out of my nose, but I've literally been sick for the last 2 weeks. So I love you guys so much. So I'm like, I gotta get back to it. I know you guys have been waiting patiently, so here is my first day back, okay?